We are now here at Secutel Technologies. Alongside me is Darren Pringle. He's going to be telling us a little bit about the fabulous work that you guys have been doing, and specifically some of your products. First of all, welcome. Great to catch up with you. And tell us a little bit about your product.
Good. Thank you very much. Thanks for the opportunity. The first product we're talking about is the Secutrac Unit, which is aimed at the guarding market, where guards would use the on-body camera. So basically for us, we refer to that as an all-in-one body cam because it allows you to do data communications. So in other words, when a photograph or a video clip is taken, it's automatically transmitted to the cloud, which is really reflected on the screen behind me. It has also got a GSM card in it, which will enable us to be able to talk to the guard on site, which is a unique feature for our product. And then there's a distress button. The moment the distress button is pushed, photographs are taken and immediately sent to a control room where someone can react to it. But the other aspect of our system that is different is once these images are sent off to the control room can then actually request a photograph or footage from the actual device on the guard. It is used by security companies and their clients in quite a big scale. Building managers and shopping centers throughout our marketplace.
And tell us a little more about the company, where it comes from, how long you've been going.
Right. The company is 12 years old.
Yep.
We are South African based,
yep.
So all the products are designed and built in South Africa. Yep. Our client base is mainly all the financial institutions, banks, the large banks, which started off with our intrusion detection products, but certainly this has flowed over to that. And then also other clients include the large security organizations, security services companies.
What are customers interested in finding out from you? What's the buzz this year, would you say, from your point of view?
I think there's a couple of issues. One of it certainly, body cameras 2 years ago was a hot number. What we see this year is facial recognition as one of the things. And incidentally, one of the things that we do with this unit, when the photographs are sent through to the cloud-based, what we have is link that to facial recognition. So the actual photographs that are taken goes through to the server where we do facial recognition and can tell you this is a person of interest. Yeah. And then the control room can communicate with the person on the other side to say follow the person, or just purely I've identified him. Yeah.
And why do you think it's important to be here? We know you were sort of latecomers to the event. Yes. You managed to find a slot somewhere amongst all of these stands. Why is it important to be here?
Yep. It certainly is, first of all, but intimidating being around some of the very big names in the industry. We believe that IFSEC is a very good showcase for technology. It certainly has changed, I think, over the time that which was services and security environment has changed over to technology. And we felt that was a good opportunity for us to showcase our products into this market.
Well, we hope you have a great week with us here. Enjoy everything IFSEC has to hold.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Good.
Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you.